how to buy protocol token on Uniswap version 3. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description box, and get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So to be able to buy this token on Uniswap version 3, make sure to find it on CoinMarketCap. It's available there. After that, click on markets here, and as you can see, click on this link or in the pair. It's in the Uniswap version 3. So click on this link here. As you can see, you will see this page. Now click on trade on Uniswap. They will redirect you to Uniswap page to be able to buy this token. So after that, what you need to do, just wait to load the page. Now, first of all, connect your wallet, of course. After that, select your wallet from here. For example, I will take the Bitcoin wallet. After that, connect your wallet. And now, as you can see, our wallet is connected to Uniswap. Now, what you need to do here, just select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure to have enough USDT on your Bitcoin wallet. Now, after that, type how much you want to buy, and you will see here how much you will receive. Now, after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. Now, in case you don't see this buy your token here, what you need to do, just click here, and now just search for it. And as you can see, you will see a bunch of tokens. And if you don't make sure, or if you can't make sure what is the right token, go back to CoinMarketCap, go back to the buy protocol token page on CoinMarketCap, and copy the token address from here. As you can see, it's under the Ethereum network. Sorry. Now go to Uniswap and select the Ethereum here, and now just type or paste the token address. As you can see, so this is now, click on it, click on confirm, and as you can see, it will be up here, and after that, you will be able to buy it on Uniswap. So this is how to buy protocol token on Uniswap version 3. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.